listening on the morning dew, reflecting colors of a rainbow, starting off the day anew, over mountains and valleys, across rivers and seas. The brilliance of the sunrise, it paints the world with ease. Have you beheld the sunrise in the stillness of the dawn? In all God's beauty and grandeur, oh, I just stand in awe. But there was a sunrise more magnificent. It was much more precious to behold. Death was defeated and life began anew when the Son of God rose. The most glorious sunrise that this world has ever known was when the angel of the Lord came down and rolled away the stone. And then up stepped the Lamb of God, and His power and glory shone. The most glorious sunrise was when the sun